Alibaba is actively working to reshape its presence in the artificial intelligence landscape. This push is spearheaded by the rollout of its revamped AI chatbot, Qwen. Alibaba has positioned Qwen as the key gateway to its newest models. Looking ahead, Alibaba has plans to integrate agent-style features into Qwen. The company's strategic effort over the last 2 years has focused on expanding the use of its Qwen models. Alibaba has firmly established itself as one of China's major AI developers. Crucially, Alibaba has also demonstrated commitment to an open-source approach. This aggressive strategy appears to be yielding significant financial returns. Alibaba has been working diligently to transform these advanced models into a reliable source of steady revenue. The results are evident. In the June quarter, sales generated from its AI products saw triple-digit growth. Despite this successful revenue trajectory, Alibaba has dramatically intervened in the ongoing AI price war. Alibaba cut the price of Qwen 3 Max, its largest model, by nearly half. The price reduction is substantial, directly impacting API rates. To further incentivize usage, users who opt to run batch tasks during off-peak hours are offered an additional 50% discount. This significant price cut arrives in a context of escalating competition within China's model market. The price drop followed a recent success where the Qwen 3 Max model placed first in a cryptocurrency investment contest. The environment in China is highly competitive, with several startups intensifying the rivalry. In a bid to attract users and stand out, companies have been experimenting with unique customer acquisition strategies. This interactive approach quickly led to unexpected challenges. Alibaba's rapid technological advancement in AI has not gone unnoticed internationally. However, Alibaba's progress has also brought heightened scrutiny and geopolitical concerns.